Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive's premium tutorials about the retro television creating from scratch inside Substance Designer. So now we are going to create this front panel over here. Now I have opened this UV inside Photoshop. You can find the UV wherever you have saved it, like whenever you bake your opacity mask or any other UVs inside your Substance Designer, you will get this. So what I will do is that I will take a reference, something like this sort of a television, and I will put this on the top of this UV, which is the front side. So this will guide me when I'm making the screen and all the other parts. Okay. So I just need the front panel here. We can reduce the size here. We can stretch it or whatever you want using the content over scale. It will not affect that much. Let's increase the size of it. Just the front side. I'm just adjusting the front side. That's enough. Where I want it. Let's see. Let's go. So I'm just trying to put it wherever it suits more. What I will do here is that I will take the content over scale, and with the shift, because I'm using 2021 version, so with the shift key I will reduce the size of it. Otherwise it will be uniform and the content over will not work with the uniform. That's it. I'll increase the opacity here, and what I'm going to do is that I will delete the outer part of this, so it will only show the part which is exactly on the front spot. Okay, so let's save this one as a different name here. JPEG file I will as a ref.jpg. I will save it. Now I'll go back here, click on this background button in the 2D view and open that UV, and then I will just play with opacity here, and you can see that because already we had the UV, and now on the top of that UV we are looking at this UV which have the TV on it. So this TV is now a guide for us. So I can turn off the original UV and use this UV. So I will add a blend node, add a I will use the blending mode add. Okay, now I will add a shape node here. And I will add transform to it, no tiling, and put it and plug it in the foreground. So I have to reduce the size of it. So just I want the front frame. I will use the size of this shape to just match the front of the television. So just trying to match the size here. And now what I will do here is that I will just reduce opacity just to see how is it going on. Okay. Now I will add another node here, and let's add a blur. I always write Gaussian blur, I don't know why. So blur HQ, grayscale, increase the quality, reduce the intensity a bit. Because I want this curve. If you look at the television frame, it is curved from the corner. So that's sort of an effect I wanted here as well. I'll just adjust this here. Now you can see it's kind of matching it. Okay. It would have to be a little bit more curved. So I will increase the opacity. Oh, sorry, intensity of the blur, and then I will play with the levels. Okay, now it looks much more better, but I will just try to reduce the size of it so it matches. Okay. I think it's fine. So I will add another blend node here. And what I will do here is that I'll just copy paste this one and add it and use add again. Why I'm doing this, so I can have the side panel, this one. Okay, so I don't have to play a lot because everything is ready. I'll just reduce the size of it. And maybe the curve around the corners, that also maybe I have to change it because you can see that it's not that curved from the corners here. So what I will do, I will just reduce the intensity. And just fix it like this. Here as well, I will do the same thing. But here. Down from here as well, I'll do the same thing. Okay. And it looks fine now. So now I will add a final level for both of them, and I will reduce the high level out that it can not stick out that much. I just want a subtle stick out part here. I'll increase the blur amount here to make it more curved. Yeah, I just want a curve on the television frame itself. And this should go more inside. Okay, so far so good. And what we're going to do here is that let's remove this levels, and individually let's control the levels. Because when we have our own levels, why should we play with an extra levels? So that's why I just removed it. Okay, now what I have done here is that I just temporarily removed the levels of the side and also the plane. I have removed it. I will add another blend node, and I will take this side blend and use a side level of the panel and subtract it. So this I need it to be separate. I want to add the screen panel, okay, but I want to subtract this switches panel, the speaker and the other panel, because it's not sticking out. Only the screen panel is sticking out. So I think we are getting there almost. Just we need to play with the some tweaks. We'll do some tweaks over here. Okay, so tweaked it. The tweaking is always good. Like when you're doing it, like you get better result. Okay, so we are done with this part. Okay, and thanks a lot everyone for becoming the member of my premium uh, membership plan. And thanks a lot for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I've noticed that many of you are watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing this or you find someone doing the same, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now and take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.